To begin, launch the camera app on your handset. Tap the down arrow from the top to open the camera settings. Now find the watermark option, and tap on it. The default watermark will be enabled. To customize it, simply long press on the watermark option. If the regular option is selected, both the timestamp and device watermark will be added to your photos. And if you select the film frame option, only the time will be added as a watermark on your photos. In the regular watermark option, you can also disable the timestamp to include only the device watermark. And if you want to add only the timestamp as a watermark and disable the device watermark, simply do the reverse. To add a custom device watermark, check the circle next to device watermark, and then tap on custom watermark. Enter your desired watermark name. Then tap OK from the top right corner. Now take a picture, and then open it. You will see the custom watermark and the timestamp on the photo. If you want to disable device watermark, simply tap the watermark option, and it will be disabled. So these are all the details you need to know about using the camera watermark on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro.